Starting with the next drawing of today's video, we will learn how to draw this really big and cool looking vehicles. The next one is a crane. We can easily see how it is lifting some weight. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, which is a really easy one, we can learn how to draw this really beautiful and cool bicycle, which is a bike which can be rode specifically in mountains and different kind of regions also. It is a mountain bike which is a really good one. We will first draw the tires and the body and the engines and then the steering, and after drawing we will complete the drawing and then we will color it with different colors as we can see in the video. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we will learn how to draw this different vehicle, which is also a really good one. We can see how to draw this towing vehicle which has weight on the back. We will first draw the body of the vehicle, the steering part and the window part, and then the tires, and then we will complete it.